My name is Joanne Apria. I work for Coldwell Banker on North Street in Plymouth, which is a stone's throw from this beautiful harbor that you're looking at. Well, my general philosophy toward real estate is that I treat everyone like family. I want to begin a relationship and I want to maintain a relationship with all of my clients, and I really strive to do that. I'm always keeping in touch with those people, and as a result, I have very, very successful referral business. I love working with people and I love helping them find a home. I mean, it's one of the most important decisions and purchases you'll ever make in your whole life, and it gives me great pleasure to help someone find that. I've had a lot of first-time buyers, and I love that. They are just the best to work with because they're so happy. They're so happy to be buying a house, and it gives me such pleasure to help them. Plymouth has a representative town meeting where we're elected to represent the area we live in. I got very involved with that. I was town meeting representative for 15 years. So most people in town know me, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. I wanted to be involved in the town I lived in and in the town I brought my children up with. I am engaged, have been for a few years. We love to travel. Italy's our favorite country to travel, but we've in the past 9 years been to several countries, and I would have to say that, and our grandchildren. We have grandchildren that we just adore and spend as much time with them and our children as possible. We're very, very family oriented. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. You can reach me at my office at 508-746-0051 or my cell anytime at 508-789-0292. My email address is joanne.apria@anymoves.com. If you're ever in Plymouth, please stop by the office, say hi. If you have any questions, even if you just want to know where to have lunch, feel free. I'd love to see you.